What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Griddle Grub. Today we are making a cheeseburger quesadilla. I did one of these a little while back, maybe 6-8 months ago, where I did a smash burger. This time I'm gonna get the ground beef. I'm gonna chop it all up like, ground beef, and I'm gonna put it in a tortilla and all that good stuff. So we're gonna get going on some bacon first. I got 3 slices. This is thin cut bacon. Normally, I like to use thick cut bacon, but for this type of dish, I'm gonna crumble this up. So this will crumble up a lot easier, and it's still got that great flavor. Same brand we normally buy. So let that stuff get going real quick. And I'm gonna throw some veggies on. Just put them right over here. Oh, I got my griddle. I got all my burners on full blast right now. We're at about 350 when I started recording. And we got, right here is just some onions and jalapeños. My favorite stuff to put in a burger right here. Onions are a little big right now, but they're gonna shrink up after they start cooking. So let's just let them go. Boom. We're good right now. I'm gonna let this stuff cook up for just a hot second. And then, boom, we're gonna get going on some beef. All right, we got some nice color, nice caramelization on these veggies. I'm just gonna move them over here for now, because I'm gonna mix that stuff with the ground beef. Now these are almost done as well. So boom, you know what? Let's just get going. Let's get going on this. What do you say? We got 1 pound of some 80/20 ground beef. Some good stuff. Gotta use 80/20, right? Nope. I'm gonna struggle opening this. There we go. Boom. Put that in here. Alright. You know the deal. Chop and flip. All right, so the meat is almost done. So now I'm gonna throw some seasoning on it. Now I'm just using some basic stuff. I got the Whiskey Burger Blackstone seasoning. I really like this stuff. So I'm gonna put a little bit on there of that. Let's put some garlic powder. All right, and I'm gonna finish it off with some Worcestershire sauce. A little bit of that. All right, that ought to be good. Now we're just gonna let this stuff finish cooking, and we're gonna add the veggies. You know what? Pop them right on in there right now. Let's just mix this up. Now we got some good grease coming off this, and I put the meat where the bacon was too, so we got some extra goodness coming off that. Ooh, buddy, man, this is smelling good. Ooh. All right, let's let this stuff cook. I did turn my griddle down. I got these 2 off. These 2 are on like a medium high. So yeah, let's just let this stuff cook over here. Just let it go, do its thing. All right. So the bacon was all good. I'm just gonna dump that in here as well. Let's just make this easy, get everything involved. Ooh, man, I'm telling you, this smells so good. Now when I cook like this, I kind of eyeball the seasonings, but in the description, I'll do my best to put in there what I think I did. So don't worry about that. Ooh, man, there's so much goodness coming on here. All right, now it's time to add a little bit of cheese. So there we go. We got some cheese on there. Now this is my favorite type of cheese to use on a burger. Some just American cheese, nice and easy. Let's get that stuff melted up right there. I'm gonna start warming up a tortilla. Just bam, right there. Now these burners are off. Want to get some little bit of oil on there. There we go. All right. So I'm just warming that up over there. Oh yeah, it's all nice and melted. I am adding more cheese. Oh, man, this looks so good, guys. All right. Let's just let this stuff keep going right here. You know what I'm going to do is turn, so off, 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 and I'm going to leave that one on medium right there. Boom. All right. Let's give this thing a flip. Boom. All right, let's add a little bit of shredded cheese now. I got some Mexican style 4 cheese blend for this part. Just gonna put it on about half of it. Oh, baby, I love cheese. Love it. All right, here we go. Let's throw some fixings on here. Baby, this is looking so good. Now, a little bit more cheese on top. And my mouth is watering right now, just looking at this. Oh, jeez. All right, I'm gonna put a little bit more right over here. All right, now, boom. Turn it over. Give it a press. Baby. Let that heat up. Get in there. All right, just let that heat up and give it a flip. All right, our quesadilla is done. So what I'm gonna do is get it off. Cut this bad boy up. Man. I'm so looking forward to this. You guys don't even know. All right, let's dive in. All right, let's dive into this. Now, I'm gonna restart that. I know what you guys were thinking when I saw this, like, man, he's doing another quesadilla, but I'm just saying, this is amazing. And I had a pack of tortillas that are kind of hard to come by these days, so I just wanted to use them up. I don't want to waste any. But man, this looks delicious. Oh, all that cheesy goodness in there. And you know what you could do? I should have done this, but I didn't have a tomato or lettuce. But put cheese, lettuce, and tomato on top and put a dome over it and let all that melt together. And oh man, that would have been a great idea. But let's dive into what we have right here. Man, this looks so good. Nice crunch on those veggies. That jalapeno is delicious. That burger, that flavor in there, awesome. I never knew until, I don't know, like a year or so ago, put some Worcestershire sauce on the meat. Man, it's really, really good. You got a real nice toast. Everything about this is amazing right now. That's all I got, guys. I'm gonna get in, eat my dinner with the family. Got theirs right here, ready to go. So I appreciate you coming along. Smash that thumbs up for me. Let me know if there's something you want me to cook. And yeah, we'll see you on the next one. Thank you.